Hey y'all, we finally made it to the Rocky Mountain National Park and we are in our campground for the evening. But let me show y'all something that kind of sucks. And this is just kind of what part of RV living is. So check this out. We have a shattered door. This is a 3-piece tri-slide door. There's a little lock for it. Something happened, lock missed, shattered everywhere, and now we no longer have a door. So I'm gonna clean that up, run into town. I guess we have another shower in the camper, but this is me and Bree's shower, so maybe order some parts. I don't know. Shower curtain at least for now, and we'll figure it out. It's part of traveling when you're going down the road at 65 miles an hour. It's like an earthquake in here. So fun times. Hey, Stay Wild family. We're jumping ahead of time this week just for right now, and then we'll get back to camping out west. But we wanted to take the moment to reach out and hopefully get you to partner with us as we are doing something fun this upcoming year. Me and the kids are going to run our first Run Disney event. Me and the kids are going to do the 5K, and then I'm going to the next day do the 10K. And this is where we want to partner with you guys. So we're not just running it to run. You can sign up to run a Run Disney event, buy it, through Disney and all that stuff. But we actually are running for a specific charity. It's called Give the Kids the Village charity, where we actually committed each of us to raising $700 per kid, $700 for me for the 5K, and then I committed another $900 to run the 10K. So in total, we're like $3,100 committed of raising for this charity. And the reason that this is important to us is because, as you know, watching our videos, we love to travel. We love going to Disney. We love going to Universal. We love, the Central Florida area. And this charity helps bring kids that can't do those types of things because of disabilities and financial hardships. They like to bring those kids to Central Florida for 1 week. They provide a place to stay, tickets to get there, and then tickets to get into these parks so these kids can experience some of the magic that we get to experience and our family has gotten to experience over the years. So we are very, very excited to partner with this foundation, Give the Kids the Village, and we just need your help on raising those funds to be able to say that we completed our goal of raising that $3,000 and some dollars. Now here's where it gets kind of weird. Because we're each an individual person, we each have our own goal. We have 4 different links for donating. We have my 5K, Allie's 5K, Emmett's 5K, and then my 10K. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna pop in a QR code right now, scan it with your phone. It will bring you to our Linktree page, and we will have it at the very top. Allie's place to donate, my place to donate, Emmett's place to donate. And what we ask of you is, if you're gonna donate, go to the kids page first, look to see, hey, have they reached their $700 goal? If they have, move to the next kid. Let's get that kid to the 700 goal. Once that kid's done, then donate to my goal and get my goal up there. I ask that you do the kids first. I want them to be able to say that they raised the money and got to be a part of that. And then whatever, we're not able to cover, I'm going to cover personally out of my own pocket, but I really hope to partner with a lot of you guys. And then you guys get to catch us later as we are going to be doing this live, or not live. Ooh, there's a motorcycle going. Oh my gosh, that was loud. Anyway, we hope that we are going to catch you guys on YouTube. We're going to film the whole experience. of running together as a family, and we get to, number one, do things for kids that otherwise couldn't as a partner with this organization. Two, we get to teach our kids the importance of being able to give back and to pour into other people that can't get to do the things that they get to do. And three, we get to build our own health throughout the year. So we're excited to do this. I hope that you guys partner with us, and we will see you sometime in January for the 5K. Thank you. Hello, Ribbies. Are you ready for some hiking? Are you ready for some hiking, Ribby? Huh? Are ya? You ready to hike, buddy? Let's go. Welcome to our first hike in Rocky Mountain National Park, the Alluvial Fan. A breathtaking landscape born from a sudden disaster. In 1982, the Lawn Lake Dam burst high above this valley, unleashing 29 million gallons of water in a powerful flood. Rushing down the mountain, it carved out this dramatic fan of boulders, sand, and debris you see today. Nature turned chaos into beauty, and now it's a peaceful trail where history and geology meet.
Words, we repeat the words, okay? As a junior ranger, I promise to protect Rocky Mountain National Park and other wild places. I'll take care of the animals by giving them lots of space. I'll take care of the plants by not picking the flowers and staying on the trail. I'll have adventures. I'll explore safely. I will. What else should we do? Have tons of fun. Fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump. Cool. All right. So these are real pins. So
All right, folks, we're kicking things off at the Alpine Visitor Center. And yes, it's the highest one in the entire national park system at over 11,700 feet. The air can be thin, but the views absolutely unreal. And what would be a great Alpine Visitor Center without breathtaking views on a road to get you there? We're jumping onto Trail Ridge Road, and let me tell you, the drive is a little bit wild. It's one of the highest paved roads in North America, and it literally feels like you're cruising on top of the world. And as you drive around, don't forget to slow down and look. There are elk everywhere, chilling in the meadows, marmots popping up like prairie dogs, and even some bighorn sheep climbing cliffs like it's nothing. Every turn here feels like a postcard, and this is just the beginning of what Rocky Mountain National Park has to offer. What do you think, Emmett? River, you're gonna scare the elk. Come on, we got to leave. Elk don't like babies.
We're back, folks. And I'm just I got this probably like 8 hours ago. And we're sitting on our camper about to get to the playground. And that you might could see the part of the playground. from here.
Hi, McJoy.
Hi.
Are you ready for your chicken Sammy?
Yeah.
Chicken Sammy. Damn it. What'd you order?
Chicken soup.
Now you got chicken and waffles. Oh, that's what you're getting now. Oh, this guy, he just wants milk. Gluten-free fried chicken. Look at the chicken and waffles. Chicken Sammy. Chicken Sammy. And that fried chicken. What? Yeah.
Hi, peoples. We're just chilling here in the truck. And guess what? My dad and my grandpa, they're looking for another pin for the camper. They haven't found anything yet. So we're just sitting here waiting for them. They went everywhere. I mean everywhere.
Our plans didn't allow us to stay in Rocky Mountain National Park for long, and what Emmett was trying to say was we were stuck on the side of the road with a broken leaf spring pin on our camper. Unfortunately, we didn't get that on camera. As you could imagine, we were stuck on the side of the interstate on our way to this beautiful place, making our way to Moab. So join us next week as we will continue this cross-country journey, and we hope to see you guys in Moab, where we get to do fun things like take out a side-by-side on Hell's Revenge. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more content. It really helps our channel, and we will see you guys next week.